This bird can inflate its chest with their, which makes a funny sound, to attract females. Meet the greatest sage grouse. One of the most bizarre birds on Earth. Greatest sage grouse, or central circus are facing. This is the largest type of grouse in North America. That can be found in the United States and parts of Canada. They have a peculiar mating ritual. During the breeding season, the male grouse find the tail feathers puff up their chests, inflating the yellowish K the sex with their, and then they don't by bouncing they give the sacks back and forth, making a funny popping noise to attract the attention of the female grouse.